Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Grey Wolf 25RRT-BL. This camper comes in at 30 feet 10 inches tongue to bumper and weighs right at 5,700 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime if you're hooking up. We have two 20-pound LP tank bottles with the quick access lid, and the tanks will be filled by the Outpost RV. We have your diamond plate rock guard. There is a red key down below. That is a 12-volt cutoff switch so you can kill all 12-volt power to the battery when the camper is not in use. Curved radius front end here. Part of the black label package is the fiberglass exterior shell along with the deep tinted frameless windows. We have your front storage compartment with the magnetic door latch here, so nice and easy up and down. Nice large storage compartment with the built-in LED light as well. Right down below here, we have your LP quick disconnect. So if you have a portable gas grill, you can take that with you and tap right into the tanks on the camper. Power awning with the blue LED accent light. Each leg is adjustable, so if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning. Sturdy steps going inside with each leg being adjustable. Oversized grab handle. We have your full-size black tempered glass entrance door. Has an integrated window and a full-size screen door as well. Since it's a toy hauler, we have your fume vents. You'll have one on this side and one on the other. So if you're hauling anything with fumes, you can keep it aired out as you're traveling. And a nice bright porch light up top as well. Outside speakers that light up blue. We have your TV connections and cable as well with the outside TV bracket. So you simply lift your TV up, bring it out here and drop it in. You'll notice the center cap is popped off. These are the quick easy lube axles. All four wheels are going to have self-adjusting brakes and a tire pressure monitoring system. How that works, the side of this will turn red if you're low on air. So we will unscrew that to demonstrate. That way you can walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. Leash latch so the furry family members can tag along as well. We have your porch system here. You'll notice it is all set up. There is a screen wall that will roll down to help keep the bugs out and the air in. Up top, we have a backup camera already included and a nice bright light here as well. In the corner on the left-hand side is the moon shade. That is going to be a cover for the deck back here. On this side, we have your other fume vent. Down below is the switch for the electric jacks in the rear. So you simply hold that button down to extend it. One leg will hit the ground first, then the other one comes down, and they will equal out in pressure. As we make our way forward, we have your furnace vent, 30-amp unit with a 25-foot detachable power cord. Black tank flush when you're done camping for the week. Hook your water hose up here. That'll help clean out your black tank. We have your outside shower with hot and cold water. Down below, we have your water fill station. On the left is your fresh water. So if you're dry camping or boondocking, fill up your fresh water tank, turn on your water pump and use that water. Or if you're at a campground, hook up to the city water and that'll pressurize the lines for you. Over here is the cable connection directly from the campground. If they offer that, you could tap into it. Down below, we have your dump station with the gray handle for your gray tank and black handle for your black tank. This is also really nice. By all your connections and dump station is a nice bright LED light so you can see what you're doing at nighttime. And last but not least, we have your on-demand tankless water heater. It is gas only, but you're only using gas when you're running hot water, so about 60% more efficient than what we have used in the past. That'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Grey Wolf 25RRT-BL. Now we'll take a look at the inside. And as we move to the inside, you have your bathroom on the right-hand side with the hallway going to the bedroom. We have your kitchen area. I'm going to go ahead and pan down real quick and show you that Grey Wolf does a great job with their tie-down brackets. And they come all the way up front here. Right behind the kitchen area, we're going to have your nice open garage area with the two bench seats that will turn into another sleeping area as well. And a couple nice large picture windows over here. Getting started just inside the door, we have your fume vent up top. The blue blinking light is for your stereo. It is a Bluetooth connection, so you can sync your phone to it, play music from your favorite app, such as Pandora or YouTube. And there is a Zone 1 and Zone 2 to control your inside and outside speakers. Your main control panel to see how full your tanks are. Turn your water pump on. There's also 12-volt heating pads on your holding tanks for cold weather camping, so you can turn that on. Then your light switches and awning as well. We have a 110 outlet and a 12-volt charge port as well. Right down below here, we have this portable ottoman that comes with it. It is great for additional storage for some blankets here, but it will collapse down to just about nothing, and it's easy to put away as well. In the back here, we have a 110 outlet in between the windows. Up top, you'll notice the AC is ducted all the way through. We have 2 interior speakers that light up blue back there. And again, this can turn into one large sleeping area, or you can pull the backs off and get 2 individual beds right there. We have your patio system, which lets in a ton of fresh air and extra light as well. Overhead storage with cabinets, so you could utilize that while traveling. And another window over here on this side. In the kitchen, you get a couple 110 outlets right there on the wall. Nice large window. Overhead storage with the glass fronts. They also add additional LED lights in the kitchen. This lights up really well. We have your solid surface countertop, high-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer. And you also get a cup rinsing station over there on the left-hand side. And you can see this is the pull-out sprayer here. We also get a nice large single bowl sink that comes with the cutting board and the drying rack attachment there. Couple storage drawers over here on the left-hand side. The bottom left is going to have a trash can already incorporated for you. Storage underneath the sink. Goes all the way back, so good storage under there. Here we have your furnace. Your microwave, which is a 3-in-1. It is a microwave, an air fryer, and a convection oven. 3-burner stove with the cover, so you can utilize that as prep space if you are not cooking. Down below the fridge, we have your breakers and fuses, a CO detector, and then we have that 12-volt refrigerator. It is 12-volt only, which is also why there's 200 watts of solar up on the roof to help run that while you are traveling down the road. The 12-volt refrigerator is much more efficient than the gas electric and cools down in a fraction of the time. And here with the entertainment center, we have your connections up top. You'll notice the different wall board as well. Some storage here. And we have your shoe garage down below, so you can kick your shoes off and tuck them away right inside here. In the hallway going to the bathroom and bedroom, we have your digital thermostat that will run your air conditioner and your furnace for you. We also have this nice large window in the hallway here. First up, we'll go into the bathroom. Directly inside, you'll notice we have the toilet that sits at an angle, giving you plenty of room on both sides. Storage down below. We have your upgraded sink in the black label here, 110 outlet, and then on the right-hand side, we have a light switch, a digital thermostat for your tankless water heater, and your medicine cabinet. Up top, we have this nice large exhaust vent that is a multi-speed exhaust fan. Corner shower with the skylight up above. The corner showers are nice, that way you're not fighting with the shower curtain here. And we'll open this up and take a look and show you the black label shower head that is included. You have 4 different spray ports, one at the bottom, one in the middle, the rainfall head, and a handheld shower wand over there. And you also get additional storage right over here. So this is perfect for your linens. So we open that up, nice storage in here. Next up, we'll make our way into the bedroom area. So we step outside and move on in. Just inside, you'll notice we have this nice large window here. The comforter is included. We have a couple storage totes up top here. There is 4 of these altogether. There's 2 on the right-hand side and 2 on the left-hand side of the bed. They just simply slide in and out for easy access to the storage there. We have cabinet doors up above, so great for utilizing as storage as you're traveling down the road. And we have the reading light, or it can be a blue LED accent light as well. Over here, we have this 110 outlet that looks a little bit different. That is a built-in inverter. So as you're traveling down the road, if you pull over at a truck stop, you can have 110 power to that outlet, even if you are not plugged in. Right here, we get this shelf, which has these drawer guides, which will open up for easy access to the storage there as well. And a built-in nightstand. On the other side, we have this cubby hole back there, and that will have a 110 and 12-volt charge port built into it back there. On the left-hand side, we have your hanging storage. We have another window over here as well. And you could tell the furnace is ducted all the way through. And we also have an AC duct in the ceiling here. And last but not least, there is an additional hookup for a TV in the bedroom with the mount and the connections already there. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Grey Wolf 25RRT-BL. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.